orbit. Pocket so fat, call me orbit. Orbit. Gotta wait to make no movies, I be loaded. They would be a friend with you, I make a move on it. I be loaded. Ain't gotta wait to make no movies, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same, in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, feel like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't shorty. I be booted till the morning, PM to the morning. My little Wody wanna bag him, he just wanna roll it. Hold up, don't you owe me, yeah, you owe me, don't it? Like on my island of Aventuras, how I stay rolling. Tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet.
Alright, y'all, we just out here right now. We're about to go to a little Ruta thingy. We got everyone showing up, showing out. How you feeling, my boy?
Vamos a ir de Ruta.
What's cracking, homie? Man, you're famous.
Yeah, man,
you gotta say what's up. You gotta say what's up to the folks. Hey, everybody. About to get started. We're waiting for 2 more people. After that, gonna get going. I suppose we don't need to wear helmets. I wear just in case because my beanie might fly out on my head. See y'all soon.
El dedo en el gatillo te lo voy a dejar pisado. Tú estás claro que yo no mato pecado. Tengo un pueblo con uno de la gallina embobinado. Vamos para Singapur.
Yo, my boy. Ya estamos, ya estamos. Out here with the folks. It looks like we don't even need the helmet. At this point, I might as well take this bitch off. I was planning on recording with my camera, but it's way too dusty. I think my camera will break. But how was it? Chill, chill. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm low-key obliterated right now. Shit looks kind of beat up, but surely gonna need a wash. Look at my clothes. Dirty, but good thing I brought spare. I ain't gonna eat. I ain't gonna eat. It's cracking. This is going on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? On Life of Grizz. Life of Grizz. We just took a little piss off, man. Sitting in the sand all over the place with dirt. Sheesh. Bro, dude. Our eyes are all fucked right now, bro. I'm gonna lie. Estamos, verdad. That view, though, bro, it's just crazy. I'm sitting on half a tank right now. I'm sitting on half a tank right now, y'all.
No, I'm not. You said you throw up.
Hey, turn off your car.
Oh, he drank. He drank. He drank.
Huh? Him?
Oh, yeah.
No, I use motion sickness.
Oh, swear to God.
My friend's hungry. Your ass was fucking elbow that shit down. So shut the fuck up.
Oh, cancel this woman. Cancel her. God, rude.
And so, should we jump off the cliff or no? Ready, set.
10 screenshots. 10
I was laughing.
Why would you do
What the
that?
fuck? I didn't do shit. Why the fuck you eating me?
Here. Fuck, it's hella high. I know, it feels like it's gonna rain. Oh, damn, what you got there?
Oh, that's it.
Where's my plate, though? You know, I thought you were gonna invite me.
Oh, no, here, bro.
Take a bite. Oh, gourmet. Oh. Woo.
Bite your head off.
Hey, look, out of 10, what? 10 out of 10 or what?
I'm a teen way,
Damn. Toda la carne. Es todo, es todo.
¿Para qué perder tiempo pensando en una estrategia, en un enamorado sin conocernos? Así soy por vernos. Yo te tiro por el interno. Un perro que a ti te haga tierno.
Yeah, we start cooking shit, ain't? You still drifting or what? Are you laying off? You're laying off the gas?
I'm good. I just got some gas, so we.
You're back at it. You're back at it. I thought you were the leader for a second, man. What's cracking? Damn, bro, how old are you? Bro, how old are you? How old is he?
Old enough?
How you feeling right now?
Don't know.
You're still sick? Like, is it irritating you that bad, for real? What's cracking?